Alright, welcome back to Big Pulls Downer, and it's finally here. I spent the last few days watching everybody else open their Optimum, and mine have finally arrived and it's my turn. And you know, there's only one, well, I'm chasing Collingwood, and I want Nick Daicos draft pick signature. By now, people would have seen that there was the secret black footy finest. I've watched quite a lot of YouTube videos and Instagram feeds and checked out a lot of cards, so I haven't seen any Daicos DPS hits yet, but surely they're out there. I just haven't seen any footage of them, so hopefully that will give me some good luck and we can hit them. So let's go, because I cannot wait. Oh, they look sensational, don't they? Alright, look at that. I like this green look. Pack number one, people. Wish me luck. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got Scrimshaw, Jesse Hogan. We've got Shane McAdam. I love the look of these base. They look nice. And our first insert is Optimum Plus. Luke Parker. Very nice. $111 of $450. Dan McStay. New addition to the pies. Not really sure how I feel about that. I think he's, well, I think he'll be handy. I think they've just paid way too much money for him. Alright, let's pack one down. So we're going to start with the far left pocket. We'll empty that one out and see how we go. And then we'll go to the middle. Alright, we've got the header card. Alright, we've got Lockie Young for the Kangas and Ed Langdon, and ooh, we got Toby Nankervis. Very nice. And that is 85 of 115. Woof. He's a good player. They're a beautiful looking card. Look at that. Don't they look magnificent? They've done really well with this product this year. I mean, I thought the first one was really nice anyway. But I think they've improved, that's for sure. Oh, we got my pies. Will Hoskin Elliott. Braden Fiorini. I thought he was going to land at the pies this draft trade period, but he didn't. We got the Hawks. And what do we got here? Oh, Archie Perkins. Futures. Very nice. Didn't want to see a bomber, but I'm not going to complain. 17 of 95. Very nice. Alright, Brian Myers. We got Mitch Robinson and Josh Kennedy. Alright. So far, those cards look so nice. Those futures look really nice. Shame it's a bomber. What a basket case they are at the moment. Alright, we got Levi Casbolt, Jamie Elliott, Liam Duggan, and we have Port Adelaide. Of course it is. Why can't it be Collingwood? We got a rookie, Hugh Jackson. We got Sam Draper, Carl Amon, and Oliver Florent. Sorry about the background noise. Everybody wants to stop me from opening these, but I'm not. We got lawnmowers going. We got chainsaws outside. We got all sorts of stuff going on, but I want to open them. We got the Giants. We got Billy Frampton, who just joined the Pies. We got Alex Pearce, Jared Berry, and we got an old base pack. I think these are ridiculous, and I know I'm not the only one. I've heard people mention these. For such a pricey product, you should not get a pack of base. Select, you need to lift your game. Absolute disgrace. Alright, Matt Taberner, Patrick Niche. We've got Sam Taylor and another bomber. Come on, where's my pies, man? Who we got this time? We got Nick Martin. I'll put him over there. And we got Josh Dunkley, Paddy Ryder, and Sam Durham. I want Collingwood for a change. Alright, we've got James Harms. We've got the Adelaide Crows. Curtis Taylor, sorry. David Swallow, and oh my god, is this another all base pack? This is bullshit. What a load of crap. Oh my god, 2 base packs in 1 box. I waited for this crap, really. Sam Collins, Jack Redden, we got the Collingwood header, very nice. Adelaide Crows rookie, Zach Taylor. Matt Guelphy, Will Hayward, and Daniel Rich. Not impressed so far. Not impressed. 2 packets with no insert is ridiculous. Alright, we got Jack Magden, Ben Ainsworth, Elliott Himmelberg, and oh, what do we got here? We have got Tom Papley, All Australian. Now, is this the metal version? I think it is. Wow, that looks nice. All Australian Tom Papley, 73 of 80. Wow, that's nice. Still not what I'm chasing, but very nice. That's such a nice looking card. It's a nice looking set. I'm really impressed. Alright. Come on. Oh, this one feels... Nah. I was going to say this one feels thicker, but I don't think it is. I have seen someone pull a dual signature Buckley Elliott. God, so lucky. What I'd give to hit that. Will Brody. And we've got Alex Neil-Bullen, and we've got the Dockers header. Anthony Scott, Jai Caldwell, and Riley Bonner. Very impressive looking pack, actually. I love it. I'm glad to see that opening a lot easier than the other products. We've got Nick Haynes, Sean Lemons, Jamie Cripps. Ooh, what do we got here? Optimum Plus. So this is the Optimum Plus, not that other one I read earlier. Tom Green for the Giants. Very nice. Number is another 111. 111 out of 115. We've got Will Setterfield. We've got the Richmond header, and we've got Jack Billings. Alright, come on. We haven't even had a DPS yet. We've had 2 all base packs. Hopefully that doesn't ruin my chances of hitting some good cards. We've got Aiden Core, Patrick Lipinski, Isaac Cumming, and Max King. Very nice. In the Optimum, let's have a look. What number did we get? 340 or 450? They can go over there. We've got Jake Kelly, Tom Papley, Ed Richards. So what do you guys think of this product so far? I think it looks magnificent, to be honest. Leave your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you've been lucky enough to open any and if you hit anything good. I'd love to know. James Aish, Harry Schoenberg, Chad Wingard, and oh, we've got a Matrix. And we've got Sinclair in the Matrix. Jack Sinclair, very nice. Not who I would like to get, but it'll do. 21 of 80. Very nice. We can go over there. We've got the Lions, Reece Stanley and Zach Fisher. Still no DPS yet. Just making me a little nervous because most boxes I've seen have had 2 in there. And we're almost up to the last pile. We've got the Kangas. We've got Chase Jones, Matt DeBoer. And we've got Brisbane Jared Lyons. Number 18 of 450. Nice low number. Nathan Broad, Jack Martin and Georgiades. Alright, so this is the last, second last of the second pile. So hopefully we may see a draft pick signature soon. Please. We've got Isaac Rankin, Alex Witherden, Luke McDonald, and another Optimum James Sicily, number 76, 450. We've got Tom Lynch, Braden Campbell, and the Port header. Alright, this is the last pack of the middle pile. And we got Jeremy Howe for the Pies. Looks like, oh, we might have one of our draft signatures in here. Alright, we've got Big Ben Brown. We've got Travis Collier. And it does, and it's a West Coast Eagle, and it is Campbell Chesser. And it looks like it's a gold. It's a gold draft pick signature for the West Coast Eagles. And it is number 12 of, is that 85? Yeah, 12 of 85. Very nice. Here comes that bloody mower. Last stack, 8 packs to go. Come on, let's find something big. Show me some love. Show me some love. Don't make me have to buy more boxes to get the love. Kane Turner, Dylan Moore, Sean Darcy, and we have, ooh, Dusty Martin in the Optimum. What number did we get? Number 217. Very nice. Always good to see a Dusty. Callum Archie, Paddy McCartan, and Peter Wright. So far, I feel this is a little underwhelming, this particular box. Looks like we've got a draft pick signature in here. So far, anyway. Still got one more box to open. Jai Newcomb. And we've got Bailey Scott. Now, who did we get? Richmond. Sam Banks. And that is Copper. So no Nick Daicos for me. Number 97 of 170. Alright, there we go. And we got Adam Sard, Sam Powell Pepper, and Max Holmes. Hopefully box number 2 will deliver me something good. Still got a few packs, you never know, we might hit a Footy's Finest. We might hit a medal winner, or a black Footy's Finest would be spectacular. You can only hope. Luke Jackson. This better, oh my god. 3 all base packs. Yep. I swore. Hopefully I remember to censor it. That is bullshit. Wow. 3 packets with no inserts. What a joke. Zach Langdon, Hayden Young, Nick Natanui in the Optimum, number 93, Jacob Wiedering, Oscar McInerney, and the St Kilda header. Oof. This could be the roughest box I've seen out of all of them so far. Still very good. Beautiful cards, don't get me wrong. But when you're paying a premium price like this, you're not expecting to find 3 packets without an insert. I mean, come on. Blake Hardwick, Cody Waitman, another packet without an insert. That's 4. Wow, I was so hyped for this, and now I'm not gonna lie, I'm extremely disappointed. Tom McDonald, Connor Idon, Jack. Hey, we got Pendles in the Optimum. I guess that's something, eh? Number 10? Oh, number 16. Wow, so close. Carlton. That can't even get me excited. I'm shook. 4 packets with no insert. Wow. Will Powell, Docker's header, Willie Rioli, and we got a rookie, Blake Howes. It's hard to read actually. And we got number 286. So we got 1 pack left of a very disappointing box. Braden Maynard, Jack Viney, we got Harry Morrison, and Optimum Plus, Tom Jonas for Port. Woohoo! And then we got a leftover base, and that is the last of box 1. And we got Blake Howes, rookie. We got Pendlebury, number 16 in the Optimum. Nick Natanui, what was his number? 93. We got the Dusty, James Sicily. What's his? Jared Lyons, Max King, the Dockers header. We got an Adelaide Crows rookie, Zach Taylor. We got, who is that? The name? It's really hard to read the names in the print on these actually. Nick Martin, Hugh Jackson, Luke Parker. We've got Tom Jonas in the Optimum Plus. Tom Green. This is a nice hit. Although, not really a big fan of Papley, but still a very nice card. All Australian medal. And then we got Toby Nankervis in the Optimum Plus. We got a copper Sam Banks draft pick signature. We got a gold Campbell Chesser for the West Coast. We got Matrix Jack Sinclair. And we got Archie Perkins in the Futures for the Bombers. And that was number 17. Oh, I think he wears number 16. Oh, there you go. 1 off a jumper number. Story of my life in these premium products. So yeah, look. Beautiful product. Absolutely love it. Very enjoyable to open, and I can't wait to open the next one. If you enjoyed that, please leave the video a like. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more Optimum on the way. And as always, cheers for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.